So hello and welcome to our Affinity Publisher course. My name is Nick Nixon and I will be your instructor today, and for the entirety of this course, of course. So this course will be all about the Affinity Publisher, and in this course I'm going to teach you how you will be able to use Affinity Publisher to create an amazing printable document, or maybe e-documents, e-books, or whatever you want to use it for. So first, let's focus on what this course is not about and what this course is not for. So this course is not about Adobe InDesign, which is the bigger competitor of Affinity Publisher made by Adobe. This is not about Adobe InDesign. You don't need to know anything about Adobe InDesign. You don't need to ever use or ever seen or even ever heard about this software in order to understand whatever we are doing here. This software and this course, in this case, in my course case, is fully for the beginners, for anyone who have never worked in the publishing software and have never done any printable, never done any book or anything like that. Maybe you have worked something like in a word processor, like in a Word or Pages or Google Docs. Yes, if you have some knowledge like that, it's great for you, but you don't even need that in this case. Here, all you need to do is to have an understanding what basic things are, like how to type and what the font is and what interface is, and I will be teaching you everything else. Here, we're gonna learn everything that you need to have a basics of an Affinity Publisher. We're gonna create a very solid foundation of Affinity Publisher that will be probably a great foundation, not just for this software, but any Affinity Suite software, and then we are going to expand from it and create something bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And don't forget, this is not just a video, this is an actual course where I will be available for you to help. So anytime you have any question in any moment of the course, you can directly contact me and give me some time for you to answer, because yeah, sometimes the time zones might not be same and it might be the middle of the night for me, but be sure that soon enough I will be giving you an answer for any questions you want regarding an Affinity Publisher. I will be always available for you. I don't know what other instructors are doing, but I'm always answering the questions from my student, unless there are too many questions because the time restrictions and things like that. But be sure sooner or later I will be coming back to you and giving you all the answers that you need. Well, again, I would like to welcome you to this course. I will hope that you're gonna have a lot of great time and learn a lot of things from here, and let's just get it started. Let's now talk about the course structure, because I feel like the explanation of the course structure will be very beneficial for you in order to give you really good expectations what is coming. Even though you can see all the names of the lectures, still it will be very a good thing to give you real expectations of what's coming and how we are actually going to learn and going to study in this course. So I'm a fair believer of the practical studying, and I feel like the best way to learn things and learn any software and anything in your life is by doing it. So this course will be all about doing different things. I'm going to be explaining all the tools or the things by doing it on the screen with you, and we are going to just show you everything how it's done on the practical examples. As you can see, the course is actually divided into sections that are all about creating something practical at the end. I know they might not look great because it will be all built as we go, but still it's all about the practical things, and it will be all about telling and showing, not just everything separately. We are going to do everything together. This course will be very, very practical. All sections after this, of course, and after the introductory section, will be focusing on the end results, and after all the sections that you're going to go, you will be able to create something. You actually don't need to learn all the software entirety and all the features of the software in order to be able to create something. And with this section, I will prove to you that even with the basic knowledge, you will be able to create something, and I will be revealing all the tools that you need, all the basic tools to the advanced tools, as I feel that are needed in order to create the end results. So as you may understand, we are focusing on end results, and we want to make something as soon as possible in order for you to get a taste of the software and accomplish something, because the best way to continue learning is to have an accomplishment on its way and not just focus only on end goal. We need some goals as we go, and this is how I believe that we should study. Again, I understand that it might be a bit difficult for you to catch up with some things, and don't worry, you can fully transparent and ask me any questions that you want. I'm always available. I will be saying this more and more times over and over and over. Just that's because some people think that they are alone in this. No, you are not alone. There are a bunch of other students with you, and there's me